Y'all, it's your boy Jay Cruz, aka the AUDIOCAT. I want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank you guys for the support that you guys are giving this channel. We're on our way to 20K. Thanks to you guys. Man, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe so we can get to this 20K. We're going to be doing, I'm giving you some info. We're going to be doing a big car meet with RELLTOREAL CG on 32s here in the Fort Worth area. It is going to be epic and huge. And we're going to be planning to do a reveal of not one, but maybe two cars. One for sure could be the awesome full big build, custom paint, custom wheels and tires, motor, blower, supercharger, magnuson, cammed out, exhaust, suspension, interior, like a full build on a 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT8. Man, it is going to be an epic build. It is restored from the floor up. Beautiful damn car, y'all. Also, probably gonna be trying to do the reveal on our raffle car. Y'all been asking about the raffle car. Yes, the raffle car is still going. I had extended because we had some complications with the build. We're trying to do something special. I haven't been able to bring y'all videos on it because of the fact of I am trying to come up with something that's different from everybody else's build. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff to this car, so stay tuned for that. Today we got to the shop and the guys are, I'll show y'all, cleaning. That's actually the car we're going to be revealing. I'm not going to show y'all a little bit or too much of it, but y'all can see custom painted, magnuson, cammed out, just a little reveal. Boom. Can't show y'all too much, but that's going to be going on the Go Scat. We started tearing down this car and started trying to figure out the suspension problem. So this was in the process right now of getting done. We got the RELLTOREAL car here. We're gonna be checking out the suspension and some other stuff on that one. The guys are back here getting their lives together on the build. Welcome Adolfo, Street Fighter. We got Jose over there. They're cleaning up and everything here in the shop. We got a couple of cars that are gonna be out for delivery today, man, or this week anyway. We're trying to plan out these two big builds that we had here. We have three. We have Jay Lynn's with the Honda Accord. We have the red car that's ready for delivery. They should be picking up this car in a trailer any day now. This car can be going out the door. This one y'all gonna probably get to see put together today. We got all the parts in to make the whole front end blue and get this car clean and custom. And we're gonna start tearing down this car to get this wide body fix and a custom wrap and the Corvette Accord with the bumper. So we have a lot of stuff going on today in the shop, but stay tuned if we keep on rocking and rolling and getting this day going here, y'all. The guys are cleaning up, getting ready for the day, and we should have success very shortly, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, Crew, so let me show you what's going on here as the guys are beginning to get this blue car put together again. So this is the one that y'all saw in a previous video. If you haven't checked it out, because I've been just dropping them every day with you guys, like a daily almost of what we're doing. But this guy wanted to get the whole front end blue. Got the bumper redone, got the grills blue, the bezels blue, the other one's blue, because this car can be completely blue front end with the lower chin also in the blue. And now the guys are gonna start putting it together so y'all can have an idea of what this car could look like and get a delivery. So I'm bringing y'all an update so y'all can see the guys are beginning to put this car together again of what's going on. Putting all the grills and accessories on to give it that finale that she needs to get this car done, y'all. So this is what the guys are doing. I'm just bringing y'all some content for y'all to be able to enjoy yourselves, man. And actually just show you what we do in the shop. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so now on this day, we're getting this car ready for delivery. Widebody OEM is installed. All this is together. This is the one we had to do all that specialty work in the back to make it stick in, but she's good. I guess Josh will get that off. I don't know what that is. But this car will be ready to be picked up today and get it out of the shop. Only thing we have to do now is install the HELLCAT baggage on this one, Josh. Right. We got to install the HELLCAT baggage, clean up this glue, this tape residue, and this one's ready to go and be delivered. So this one here is good, y'all. We're about to get Adolfo. He's about to measure out these HELLCAT logos, put it to their location, and get this one out the door. I'll be back with you in a minute. I wonders, how do we get things so right? It's very easy. So many that we do, we have templates built that tells us exactly where it's supposed to go. And since it's there, Adolfo's got it going in. So right now he's putting on those badges and getting that car situated, man. We just got a brake kit that came in for that one car that y'all saw that had the whole wide body damage that we're redoing for the guy with the whole custom wrap and everything. He can brought in the brake piston kits. Now we'll be converting that and doing a reflective on that too, y'all. So you have an understanding of what goes on here in the shop. We do it all, A to Z, everything automotive, y'all. Check us out here in AUDIOZONE. Alrighty, crew. So coming to the finale of the red car. Let me show you what we got. Baggies are on. Perfect. He had this missing. Popping it in for him right now. And then this here. But now as far as everything else goes, Widebody kit is completely installed, y'all. So this car is completely installed. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around as this car gets ready for delivery. Badges are installed. The rear, hold on, Eddie. The side skirts are installed. Rear body panels installed. The other side, as y'all could tell, installed. Josh is cleaning up the excess of the tapes and stuff. But this is ready to go, y'all. So, Papa, your car's on its way out to you. Hope you get to enjoy. Thank you for checking us and trying us to be able to make your wide body dreams come true. This one could be signed to deliver, y'all. Stay tuned. Number 130. All right, guys. So at this point in time, we got the trucker came to pick up the beautiful red car. She is on her way out, man. Mr. Kid, we want to thank you for the chance. Enjoy her. She is done. This car is out for delivery, going out to Alabama right now. So I'm showing y'all what she's done. Wide body completed, car is done, ready to go, completed. And shout out to Mr. Kid as this car gets ready to leave out to Alabama right now, y'all. So we're gonna continue this day, but just give you an update. All right, Miss Jaylyn, so right now your car just got finished dropping off the bay. We're going to test drive on it, make sure everything's running good, and see how everything is operating for you to pick up your car. I'm excited for you, girl. I know it's been a time waiting, and now you're gonna have your baby back as you wanted it. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, that's the Honda Accord. So it went from being black, stock, to custom wrap, lower chins, custom wheels, drop kit, all blacked out, all the accessories blacked out, custom tail lights, all ready to go for a vet, y'all. So this is where we at, y'all. It looks great. So I'm gonna end this day, but I'm gonna add this to another video. But long story short, tomorrow I'm gonna give you all the reveal of the customer. When we come in the morning, get the car washed up and situated for them, and we will be able to do what we have to do to get the delivery going on. So I'm gonna end this day, but stay tuned for the next day, y'all.